Hello you guys, today we are unboxing some Detroit axle product. Detroit axle. Let's see what we got here. It's my first time checking this out. All down. So let's see what we got. Some Supreme Stopping Power Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pads. Complete hardware kit included. Interesting. Yeah. Sorry about the airplanes. That's where I'm talking loud. And let's see if there's like anything special about it. So, when installing new brake pads, always service replace brake parts for safety reasons and to reduce the chance of noise and brake failures. Okay, good to know. Good to know. So I got another box in here. Let's see. Oh, damn. So what we got here is we got some Detroit Axle Supreme Stopping Power rotors. Okay. That's something different. I didn't know you didn't have this. My pops ordered this for me for my birthday. So like, here, early birthday present. So let's see. Pop that back in. Alright. Careful, don't smash your finger, because I think I almost did. So what we got here is, and these rotors are for the Black Pearl, which is a 2002 Chevy Avalanche, and looks like they are drilled all the way through. Okay, I see it, I like it. Interesting. And of course, this is the other one. Alright, well, let's see how these work out. And I'll show you the install. Hey guys, so I ordered some brake pads for my Black Pearl. So they came in. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got some Akebono brake experts, ultra premium brake pads, advanced OEM technology. Okay. So we got here is some hardware. Okay. And bam! Look at these brake pads for the Black Pearl. Alright. Let me take a look at them.
Yeah, I would.
God damn. Okay. Looks like they were sanding when they were moving.
That's how you really slow down, honestly.
Okay. Alright. And I'll show you when I put them on the Black Pearl.